Is it red right there?
Yeah.
Record Marquise too. Show him that he's a doctor. Record everything. And whatever you're about to say too.
You got scissors. And we need to cut the...
Look at that. Hey, look down here. While I push down. Ay, ay. Oh, God.
Damn.
Did it come out?
This is gonna hurt.
Go ahead, man.
What's this? Oh my god.
Ah. Oh, God. Put my face. You don't have to put that much. Okay?
Oh,
hello.
Yeah, buddy, I'm putting more.
Oh. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this.
Unbelievable だけど、これ何?
Just hurry up and just get it over with, man. You have that Q-tip, man. Push in with the Q-tip. Push in with the Q-tip. Oh, motherfucker. Gee. Oh, oh God. Ow, fuck. You're fucking done. Close, right? You're almost done?
Almost.
Oh my God.
There you go. Alright. What's up?
What the fuck you just do?
It's in there. Watch out. Put the gauze over it.
Is it bleeding?
No. Dude, I'm professional. Got you. Put the gauze over it.
Baby, you mean though?
No, I'm not. It hurts. I had it down to my leg. I know. Justin.
No, fuck that shit.
No, where's the tape?
Oh, fucking no.
That's beautiful. I love it. Alright.
Just give me some fucking... Okay, you can cut it off now. We're good.
It didn't hurt.